Alright, so if you're a content creator, make videos, you take lots of pics, anything like that, then you need to have something like this with you every time. It's not costly at all and it will save you a lot of time. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs and today we're gonna unbox, but mostly review the Bliksem OTG Micro USB 2.0 pen drive. With this drive, you no longer need to look for a cable to be able to connect your devices together and import all of your contents to your phone. The design is portable, thus you can take it anywhere you go and use it with all your devices, tablets, Android smartphones, whatever device that support OTG function. Starting with some general product description, this is a multi-purpose flash drive. On this side, you have a USB OTG 2.0 interface, not a USB-C, which you can use to connect to your cell phone, thus acting as an additional memory. And on this side, you have a USB 2.0 Type A, compatible with multiple devices like laptop, PC, desktop, smartphone, etc. One thing to take into consideration, however, is here the color is blue. Most people associate a blue color with a 3.0 USB. It isn't so in this case. It is a Type 2 with a read speed of 15 megabytes per second and a write speed of 6 megabytes per second approximately. So be very careful when you buy. Make sure it is exactly what you need. So how do you connect your OTG drive to your device? Well, most Android phones come with a dedicated OTG setting. As such, you can enable or disable the OTG function on the device. For some devices, you get a pop-up showing enable OTG after plugging in another device via USB. If you don't get this pop-up, you need to activate the USB OTG from your phone setting. Now let's go connect our device to a phone to see how it works. No need to install any software, just connect it into the OTG port of your phone. Your phone should detect it right away. Open the USB drive or your cell phone files and copy files you need from or to the USB drive and wait for the transfer to complete. In case your phone doesn't detect the drive, go to Settings in your phone, go to About Phone, then Software Information, tap build number 5 or 6 times to access developer. Go back to settings and you should see developers. Now open developers, scroll down to anything that says media and deactivate it. So let's try to connect this device to the laptop to see how it works. Alright, so this is a plug and play. No need to install any software. Just plug it into the USB port of your computer or device and that's it. Let's now check the writing and the read speed. So first you connect drive to your laptop or computer. You open the USB drive, copy files to your USB drive and wait for the transfer to complete. You can easily observe the writing and the read speed. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna transfer a small file. This is a very small file, 9 megabytes. I'm gonna transfer it to the pen drive. So let's see how long it's gonna take. Yep. And this is a 9 megabytes. Copy it. And I just come here and paste it here, 7 megabytes per second, and that's it. Copy all those 3 files and then we're gonna see how long it's gonna take to copy each file to the pen drive. Now this is the first file. This is the smallest of the file. That's it. It weighs about 327 megabytes. Let's copy and we're gonna go to the drive and paste it here. So calculating, see it's at 3 megabytes per second for now. It's about 2 minutes, 3 minutes to get 327 megabytes into the pen drive.
It is very slow. So an average of 3 megabytes per second. So that's the first one. Let's try and copy a 633 megabyte file, which is a lot also. Let's try and copy that to the pen drive. And here we say, well, it started real good, but it started coming down. 786. I can easily guess it's about 5 megabytes per second, and it's gonna take me. So that took about 2 minutes. Let's check this out. Now let's try getting 900, or let's just say 1 gigs file, and see how long that's gonna take. So started at 6. Let's see how long that's gonna take. Time remaining, it's calculated, and that's about 3 minutes. It's gonna take about 3 minutes to get a 900 gigs, or let's just say a 1 gig, a 900 megabytes or 1 gig. It's gonna take about 3 minutes to get the file into the pen drive, or into the flash drive. And yeah, final video. Let's get this one. This is about 2.13 gigs. Let's get this file. How long is it gonna take to get this over here? So started at 22, then started like going real way down. Now let's see how long it's gonna take us to get 2 gigs to the pen drive, or to the flash drive. So that's about 16 minutes. That's a lot. About 10 minutes. Kind of increased speed somewhere. I don't know why or what happened there, but instead of 16 minutes, now we have 10 minutes. Average speed is about 5 megabytes per second now. Now about 7 minutes. And climbing. And yeah, finally, so let's just try this. And
cuando llegó a casa.
so perfect.
There are some things you should note, however, when using this device, when using this drive. Never unplug the drive when reading data, otherwise it may damage the drive. And second thing is, make sure that whatever you are uploading is closed before removing the device. If you'd like to get one of these, I'm gonna leave a link down there below. I hope we've been able to give out enough information about the OTG Bliksem USB 2.0 pen drive. If you have any comments, leave them below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos.